So today we are going to unbox terabyte HDMI to VGA converter adapter cable. So I'm buying from it this from Amazon, and it is a price is 208. Okay, so we are going to open this. It is coming with a nice pack from Amazon. So here you can find this product again. You can see it. Okay, it is the receipt from Amazon, and all price 289 with 44 rupees extra delivery charge here. And here is our product, and you can see this HDMI to VGA. It is HDMI and it is port from VGA. You can cut this and open it. HDMI to VGA. So here you can see this is you can directly connect into your VGA port, which is present in your laptop, and it will be showing. And after this we can directly connect your VGA port which is present in your desktop or others. You can directly connect into your projector also. This is the VGA port, which is a nice product. You can find it from Amazon.